What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some upgrades to the Jeep. I'm also going to be announcing the winner of the $100 giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned until the end to find out if you won or not. Alright, so in the comment section down below, see if you guys can guess what it is. Let me give you a hint. I don't like how close these tires are sitting to the body of the car. Comment down below what you guys think. Also, I gotta take the Jeep inside the warehouse, so let's go move a couple trucks so we can get this thing inside because I'm freezing. This is a cold startup on a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. I'm working on getting an exhaust. All right, let's see what we gotta move. Looks like this van's gotta go. And this van's got to go. All right, I'm gonna grab the keys, get these things warmed up, and get them out of the way so we can pull the Jeep in. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is get a little bit more light. It's kind of dark in here. Alright, so that's a lot better. The first thing we're going to want to do is get some gloves so our hands don't get too dirty, and then get this tire off. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box and show you guys what I bought for the Jeep. Don't need that. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Bought a box for the Jeep. Just kidding. Alright, let's see what's really in here. Boom. Wheel spacers. So these things are actually going to bring the wheels of the Jeep out 2 inches, which I think is going to look super cool. And let's go ahead and get these installed and see what it looks like afterwards. So these things are made out of forged aluminum, so they're super tough. And they're actually finished in this blue color, which I think is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple gloves on and then get these tires off so we can get these things installed. And look how much wider the tires are going to come out. I cannot wait to see how this thing is going to look and feel, see if it drives differently or not. So let's go. Okay, before we jack the car up, I just want to loosen up these lug nuts real quick. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and jack the car up a little bit. These tires are no joke. Things are really going to transform the look of the car. Can't wait to see how they look. There it is. Alright, time to see how we did. Okay, so check this out. You see how it's popping out now? So that one's done. Check out this wheel that's not done yet. Here, I'll give you this back view. You see how it's way tucked in there? See how the front one's pretty out? So we gotta get all 4 of them to look like this bad boy. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winner of the $100 giveaway right now. And yeah, let's go jump to my computer and take care of that. Okay, so we're on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to grab the link to the video. And then I'm going to use the same website I used last time. It's called commentpicker.com. all you do is drop the URL here, get YouTube comments. Okay, it says there's 8 unique commenters. Then I'm gonna go to step 2 and select the random person. Wait for it, wait for it. The winner is Sean Goldsmith. There it is. Alright guys, so there it is. Congratulations to Sean Goldsmith. You have 1 week to reach out to me via Instagram, Twitter, email. DM me on any of these social medias that are in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to get that $100 to you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways, and I don't want you guys to miss out on those. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.